What's up YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial on the neutral eyeliner look. So what it is basically this look right here that I'm wearing right now, and I wore this to school today. So I'm going to teach you all of the steps on how to get this really nice, gorgeous look for school or any other occasion that is perfect for it. So without further ado, let's get started, and don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel for more makeup tutorial videos in the future. Mwah. Alright, so first thing to start off, before you actually start putting on your makeup for this look, is to have the right kind of skincare and base for your look. So, what I put on my face first before I put on any of my makeup is this Origins Make a Difference Plus Moisturizer, and this really helps my skin because it really hydrates it, and my skin is really sensitive and dry, so this is like the perfect moisturizer I use for my face. Alright, next up is the facial spray, and the one that I used is this Skin Active Soothing Facial Mist, and it is made with rose water, and this will really really helps tighten my skin after any skincare or facial I will do, or just with my face in general. And I will also be putting this on after I'm done with the makeup, just to really keep the makeup in place and all that. So I am just going to do a few spritz. Now that my face has been moisturized and fully freshly misted with that facial spray, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Paris Inflatable Glow Lock primer. I'm just going to be taking a little amount of it into my hand. Alright guys, so once your skin is all moisturized and primered, we're going to start off with the foundation, and the foundation that I use is the MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation. So I am just going to be taking just a small amount onto the back of my hand. I'm going to be taking a beauty sponge and just pat that all over my body, my face. Alright, now once your face has been covered with your foundation, you want to go on to the concealer if you have a concealer. If not, you can skip this step. But I use the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer, and just 1.5 pump would do, because I don't need a lot. I'm going to be taking a flat flat brush like this. I'm just going to be taking a little bit. Alright guys, now it's time to move on to the eyeshadow. And the palette I'm going to use for this makeup is this Smashbox palette that I got for Christmas. It has this really nice design on the cover. And I'm going to be using this fluffy brush right here. And I'm going to be dipping it into this darker shade right in this palette. I'm going to put that right into the crease. and then you want to sort of bring it down towards your lash line, and then you just want to sort of like buff it out so it almost makes like a sort of like winged sort of shape. Next up, I'm going to be using my finger. I'm going to be using this little light brown shade right here. I'm just going to pat that onto my lid. I'm going to use that same fluffy brush to just sort of blend it out. Once your eyeshadow is done and it's looking really nice and gorgeous, we are going to move on to the eyeliner. So, excuse me, I would use a fine line liquid liner for this because it works better and is more easier, well in my case it is, for me to use than a eyeliner pencil. So I'm going to be using this eyeliner that has two sides, one that has a stamp side and one that just has the fine line side. So I'm just going to use the fine line. I'm going to start from my inner part of my eye. I'm doing small strokes across my lash line. I'm going to like lightly bring it out. Once our eyeliner is all done, we're going to be moving on to mascara. The mascara I'm using is the Too Faced Damn Girl Mascara. And this mascara is really, really nice to use. It really gives the illusion of falsies and looks really nice on the, just really gives those lashes like extra length that we need, you know? So just gonna apply it to my lashes. Now that our lashes are nice and lifted and looking really stunning, I'm gonna move on to brows. And what I'm gonna be using for my brows is this brow crayon. And all I'm gonna be doing is just sort of shade the front of my brows and going into that desired brow shape that I have. And then I'm going to be using a brow brush to really put them in place and to remove the product through. My brows all shaded in. I'm going to be going in with this MAC Pro Longwear Waterproof Brow Set. And I'm just going to apply it to the front of my brows. Just moving them. Alright, our brows are done, and now we're going to be moving on to contouring and highlight. So for my contour, I'm using this MAC bronzer right here in this really nice dark shade. And I'm going to be using this fluffy brush right here. And I'm just going to take a small amount, not too much. I'm just going to start from the back and slowly blend that up into my forehead area. Alright, and now it is time for highlight. And for the highlighter, I'm going to be using this Madison Miller highlighter right here. I'm going to be using my finger for this. I'm just going to take a little bit onto my finger. I'm going to really pat that onto my cheekbone. Just going to be looking right into my mirror up here. And just a bit on my nose. And a bit on my cupid's bow. Now it's time for the final makeup product, and that is the lipstick. So the lipstick I'm going to be using is this brown lipstick right here. Oops. Alright, and now our makeup look is all done. All we have to do now is just set this makeup with a bit of facial mist. And then your look is all done. Anyway guys, thank you guys so much for watching this neutral eyeliner look makeup. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys might use this for yourselves because it is really nice and stunning. So yeah, don't forget to like and comment and subscribe to my channel for more future makeup tutorials that I will be doing in the future, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you.